Alright, so tonight we are installing an exhaust on my sister's GTI. That's Maxie. So what year is this car?
2006.
And what did we get for exhaust?
We got an AWE catback.
AWE catback? Let's check it out. Alright, so came with a splitter and then two tailpipes, two tips I should say, and a muffler and a couple of bends that are gonna make up all this. This thing was all hacked kind of by the previous owner. I already cut it back where there's supposed to be a coupling here, but it had been welded. And then there was a bunch of other welds where a muffler got hacked out. And I guess they were trying to get a little bit more sound out of it. But it's been leaking through all these shitty welds and it's rusty, so. Okay, so the first thing we did is we cut off the old catback right here where this coupling was supposed to go, but it got welded. Alright, I'm putting on gloves so I don't bust my knuckles because I gotta pull like crazy on this thing. Alright. I gotta do the same thing back here. Got it?
Yep.
Alright. Alright. There's the stock one. Down and out. Put this right.
Perfect. Genius.
Alright, so this is going to be the first piece that goes on, judging by the hangers that are on it. Look like they match up right here. I'm probably going to have to hit the auto parts store for a little piece of pipe because the old one got welded on and the flange was gone. Yeah, the muffler goes back here. For some reason I was thinking the muffler went all the way in the back because the other muffler was back there. But no, the muffler goes right where the resonator would have went. Kind of like that.
Nice.
And there's a hanger right here. Get that in that hanger. This is all super loose, it could fall at any moment. And then this goes like this. I gotta tighten everything. But you get the idea. So we're gonna have to go to the auto parts store and get a coupling for this. Pretty sweet. Alright, so we just got back from the auto parts store. They didn't have a straight up coupling that was the same on both sides, so we had this piece of pipe here and we're going to stick these two together and it's basically going to make a coupling. Let's go under here and show about what we're going to do. Alright, see what we're doing here? This has got to go in here and that's how we're going to get that together. I'm going to take it back down now and weld that to that, so it's less welding we got to do on the car, and then we're going to have to weld the rest of this on the car. Actually, I can weld this here too. Alright, so we made our coupling. Either put it like that. That's pretty good. We'll get the rest of it mocked up and make sure everything's lined up before we do any welding over here, and then we'll weld our coupling in. Okay, we got the tips.
Just the tips.
We're trying to line everything up now, so we're going to put everything on and then make our adjustments. One thing I can say about this kit is there is a lot of T-bolt clamps and joints. Alright, we are welding the coupling on now. Alright, we're about all set. It's all installed and we're about ready to do a sound check on it, I think. Let's take a look. There's the stock stuff, and this is where the new one started, where we had to weld it. And then there's about 1,000 clamps on this thing. They even have you clamp the tips on individually with these T-bolt clamps. That's what the tips look like. Going down.
Start it up?
Yeah, start it up.
Yeah, start it up.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Cold start.
Hey!
It's all that smoke.
Smoking a lot? It's been smoky in here!
Maybe it's just because it's brand new. What do you think of the sound?
Sounds like voodoo bowl.
You don't like it?
Do you?
I don't know. Hit it
Sounds
again?
the same.
Hit it again?
What's a good way to hit it?
I don't know.
Lay on it?
No, they usually they mellow out when they warm up too. What don't you like about it?
Quiet.
I think it sounds good. I think it sounds mint.
It sounds very similar.
To what it was. It's mellow, it's not like obnoxious, but it's got a little bit of a throatiness to it.
Why is it smoking so much?
I think it's just water vapor. Alright, she's going to back it out so we can see what it sounds like under load. I think it sounds good. Take it for a rip. I think it sounds perfect. It's nice and mellow, not too obnoxious. gonna take this thing for a ride. I want to see what it sounds like from inside the car. I like it. Anytime a 4-cylinder isn't raspy, I'm happy.
Seems like it's driving pretty well though.
Does it feel better than it did before, or not noticeable?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It does feel better.